Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of First Tries Cooking. Today we're going to make easy blackberry mini pies. And
this is our first try at it.
Yep, this is our first try. We're going to do it in the air fryer. And we have a Kasori air fryer. I don't know if you guys have used an air fryer, but we got ours a few months ago and we love it.
We can send you a link or put it linked in the description below.
Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and get started, show you what we're using. This is just a refrigerated crescent dough sheet that we got, Pillsbury. We're going to use Smucker's blackberry jam, and that's pretty much it. We're going to see how this goes, so we'll get back with you in a few minutes. Okay, to make these mini hand pies, the first thing we did was roll the dough out, get it smooth, and then we're going to just cut circles in it. The recipe that we're using, which we'll provide in the link below, suggested that you use a 4-inch cookie cutter. We didn't have that size, so we're going to improvise and use this cup. So, you ready, Lily? Press it in there hard. Okay, so using the cup didn't work out so great, but we were able to get it done, and it went okay. So now the next step is to put the blackberry jam. And Lily's going to do that for me.
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. So you just want to, yep.
That barely fits.
Yep, and put it on one side. And then one more.
It's hard to get it there.
There you go. Okay, so we improvised a little bit more, and we didn't use quite 2 tablespoons because that seemed like an awful lot. So it was probably about a tablespoon and a half, maybe.
Yeah, it looks like that fits better.
Yeah, so I think that fits pretty good. So now the next thing we do is we're going to brush some egg wash around the edges. Let me just show you how to do it, and then you can take over. You just want to brush around the edges like that. Okay, and finish this one. Okay, now she's continuing with the rest of this. I'm going to go ahead and put the top on and get it ready. These are going to be cute little pies. What do you think? First time we're trying this, so we'll see how it turns out. So this is what we're going to do here. You know how you see pies and it has the little edges?
Can I do it?
Just go around like that.
Okay.
That's a good way to seal it.
And that's why you put the egg wash on there, to make it stick, the edges stick together.
Even I'm learning.
Learning experience.
Kind of looks
So
like it.
now we're just going to brush the top.
Can I do it?
Yeah, we can do it in just a second. Just brush it over like that. And then that's it. We'll finish up these other 2, and then we'll get them in the air fryer.
So we're preheating the air fryer to 370 Fahrenheit.
Okay, we have them in the air fryer now. They're all ready to go. We're going to cook them for about 15 minutes. Probably check it halfway through to make sure. So we turns out we have 4, and there's one questionable one in the corner there. What happened with that one, Lily?
It's a cookie.
We're calling that one a blackberry cookie. Not sure what happened with the dough, but I'm sure it's going to taste good.
It's deformed.
It's going to be a blackberry cookie.
So, go down. Now hit that button. See, it's set for 15 minutes.
We'll be back.
So here's the finished product.
Yep, a couple of things here. First of all, it was 12 minutes. The recipe calls for 12 minutes in the air
Yep.
fryer, not 15.
And we only did 4.
And so we put it on 12, but I checked it after about 4 minutes and they were done. So
You gotta keep your eye on it.
yeah, that's the thing about an air fryer. You got to keep a close eye on it.
It's
Sometimes
unpredictable.
some things cook a lot faster than others.
Yep.
But we are going to give this a try. You ready, guys?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's just cut into one right now.
Alright.
Let's get a knife.
Nice.
Looks good.
That does look good.
And we put powdered sugar on it.
We did. We put powdered sugar on
Yep.
top.
Powdered sugar.
Alright, let's give it a try.
Ready?
Yep.
Mmm. This is good.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
I think Noelle's
Those are
coming.
good.
It's like these
You gonna
are
give Noelle
success.
some? Are you gonna share with her?
Meh.
Noelle's the dog. Thanks for watching. We're definitely gonna try this again. Maybe some different flavors. Maybe we're gonna try this with some peaches. I think next time.
Ooh, that would be good.
See how that goes.
If you liked it, hit subscribe, like, and
Notification bell.
notification bell. See you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.